Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Recently I had uploaded a video on the bee house, and I mentioned that I will be also doing a video on the bird feeder. So let's start that. This is the hummingbird feeder. Um, it's made of glass. And the hummingbirds drink the sugar nectar. So last year I noticed the hummingbirds in this area, so I'm going to put the nectar in this feeder. So I have got the pre-made hummingbird nectar, which I'm going to pour into this. Let's put the lid on. So I just want to show you the feeder. Hummingbirds have long beak, and you see the flowers. These flowers, they have like a center hole in it, so the hummingbirds insert the beak and can drink this nectar. So this is an additional task I have created for me, because every 3 days I need to discard the leftover nectar, clean this feeder and refill it. So I hope the hummingbirds visit this beautiful tree and enjoy the nectar. And now let's go to the backyard to set up the bird feeder. So this is a bird feeder, and this is the bird feed. Beautiful birds visit our backyard, and the old feeder was damaged. So I'm going to first put this somewhere, one of the trees, and then I will add the feed into this. So I have put this feeder over here on this branch, and I will now put the feed inside it. So I'm going to take a cup full of this feed and put into feeder, maybe 2 cups. So delicious spread for the birds. Let's put this in the feeder. Look at how beautiful the trail mix is for the birds. I hope they come and enjoy this.